Ooh, 50x on the Crazy Tom as well.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
We're the top at the mall and 3,077 of you want this turn. Of course it is about the time for you to place your next ones. Let's go, let's do this. Final seconds. Seriously, yeah, seriously. What am I doing? Nah, apparently hosting, but maybe not. Who was for the 800 pachinko the other day? I don't know, 5x and cornflake, I don't keep a track of it. For real? For real. Hi, Werner, nice to see you there. Eliza's my favorite host, I'm gonna lie, she's funny. Me and funny, man. You're gonna be kidding me. Oh, no, that's cool. Haha. We got 5x and cornflake. Get ready and let's go. So, cornflake haven't been the best, but hey, maybe this round with the 5x on top slot is gonna change everything. Oh, 25 versus 2. Oh, wait, hold on. That's a 125x versus 10. That is cool, man.
This is the amount of money issued for 107,281 euros.
Indeed, 125x multi, congratulations. Literally the whole day for the cornflake, for the blue side, we have had like 2x, 3x or something, and then boom, finally paid off, and we have 125x. Congratulations, Team Blue. Well done. Let's continue. Bang, bang. That was a good one, indeed. Okay. We're warming up. I see.
Until then, nicely done. 3, 2, 2, she with you, bro, and monitors these special comes against you guys betting time. And yes, also I think Pachinko last one was 20x multi. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, that was also our first spin of the session. And Quinn Hope, the last one I think was, yeah, I think like 2x multiplier. Let's go, or 3x multi. Boop, good luck. Oh, guys, catch 27x multiplier. We can cash right now. Come on. Come on. One more. Come on. Yes! Guys, catch a 7x multiplier. Woo! Look at this, guys. We have so many 100x as well, guys. 7 times more. Woo! Okay, guys, the board looks spectacular. 700x multiplier is the highest one we can catch. Guys, guess who beats the highest record of the day? Hey! Wait a minute. Let's dance. Whoop. Oh, I almost broke my ankle. Okay, guys. Now you already know what to do, guys. 700x on the stake. We do not have 1, we do not have 2, we do not have 3. We have a lot of 700x's on the board. So this is crazy. I'm gonna choose as well. Guys, good luck everybody. I'm gonna choose that star kind of in the middle. I got a 7x multiplier.
This is the amount of money issued 607,388 euros.
Crazy, guys. Nice! 730 winners with 700x multi and 1,472 with a 140x, guys. 9,627 champions and Smithy. 28,000 for you and 700x. Okay, that was, guys, beautifully done.
Compliments to each and every one of you, and we're going to reopen the betting time just for you fellas, for you folks, my people. Don't forget about autoplay and bet on all. 54 segments right here. Habla portuguesa, Andre. I can only say hello and thank you. Yeah, only those things. But yeah, at least something. I can say hello in like 12 languages, which is nice. We're gonna go with 5x on Crazy Tom right here. This can be the thing that puts crazy in Crazy Tom if you're able to land on it. And we are. With the 5x on it. Hey, guys, hold on to your boots and everybody on board on the crazy train, everybody. Ozzy Osbourne style. Let's go get him. guys, call me Bruce Buffer of Crazy Time because it's time. That's right, everybody. 5x. Everything. You know. You already know. Bang. Looking for this? Looks incredible, everybody. And now, the most important part for you guys. Pick one of these colors, green, blue, or yellow. Those are the picks you have. We have 5x everything right off the bat, guys. That makes everything that way more sweet. But now the biggest one we can cash in on here happens to be 500x. So let's go get it.
This is the amount of money issued, 471,290 euros.
125, everybody. Let's go get them. Alrighty then, 125 for everybody. Congratulations, all 6,771 winners. And Eliza taking over, guys. See you later. Good luck to you. Bang.
Good morning.
Good
It's
morning,
me, Lizzie, once again. How is it going?
It's going good.
All good, alright. The 634 of you want to turn, alright? Irish, yeah, you waited 7 and tomorrow with a gorgeous, magnificent outcome. But let's continue. Let's see what we can get. Elias, how old are you? You look like high school. I am 55 years old. That's my age. Beds are closed. You're beautiful. Thank you. Thank you very much. We did it! Crazy Tom, get shot! Let me in! Come on, come on. Hi everybody, we're back at the bonus round. Alright, it's about the time for you to make your choice. Which flapper is it gonna be? Team yellow, team blue, or team green? Come on. Final seconds. Come on. 3, 2, 1. 100! Let's go! Wow, this time doubles for team blue? Man, that's crazy. That's crazy. All right, get ready. Get ready, 200. Another one? Wow, that's cool, man. 400. Here we go, guys. Man, that's crazy. Let's see how it's gonna be.
This is the amount of money issued, 609,550 euros.
Let's go! What? That's crazy! Did you saw that? What? Ah! Congratulations to the winners. Another crazy victory on a crazy time. Well done, 400 for the 100x. Congratulations to 11,000 victory for Arush himself. Man, that's cool. Let's continue. Final seconds. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's have back to back. Let's have back to back. You get a 7x Lepsa. How? Auto pick? You pick late, honey. I should listen to you. Yeah, that 50 was pretty awesome, 5x and crazy time. Like, I was like super indecisive, you know? Oh, ladies and gentlemen, you gotta be kidding me. Do you see that? Let's do this. Ha ha ha. The highest victory of the day, let's hope so. Come on, follow me. Hi there, we are back at the bonus game. Well, congratulations, isn't this marvelous? We have 5x from TOPSLOT as well. Alright, listen, it is about a time when you have to choose wisely. Time is really limited, but choose which one is gonna be your flopper. Team yellow, team blue, or team green. Get ready, and here we go, 500. Let's do this. Excuse me, we do have 500 for Team Green, and we have Team Yellow with some doubles. No way, this is gonna be incredible. Get ready. 1,000, let's do this.
This is the amount of money issued 693,705 euros.
And we are back, ladies and gentlemen. That was something incredible. 30,000 for the top player. Congratulations. Let's go with Team Green. Congratulations. Team Yellow, though, on the other hand, that
It's over 5,500 winners. Almond, Aces, Angelo, King, Exter, top of the winners list. Many times are yours. Here we go then. But hopefully it's not the end of an era just yet, guys. Let's see. Last crazy song, 25, 25, 50. All right, yellow team getting some of the juice. Here we go. Ooh, 50 next on the crazy time as well. What's the trajectory here? Can we do it? Yes! Crazy time with a 15x multiplier. Guys, you do not want to miss this one. Follow me. Welcome. 15x top slot on this crazy time, guys. This is gonna be ridiculous no matter what happens. Let's put that 15x juice on it. Sheesh, what a gust of wind. Good thing I got a jacket here, man. Better bring a jacket for this. Green, blue, yellow. What do you guys think? Which one is gonna get the biggest one? You decide. If you don't decide, the auto pickle will do it for you. Check it out. Potential 1,500x up for grabs.
This is the amount of money issued for 1,032,389 euros.
75 on green. Over 12,000 winners. Tess, Smithy, Angelo at the top of the winners list. This was insane. 750x on the blue.
In winners. Pass it open. Come on, man. At least in the end, we have to shine, you know. Finish with some style. Get something awesome. I want to break the score, the high score today, you know. Not so high. 3x top slot for Pachinko. Maybe. Wait, yes, it's on the way. Yes. No, don't move. Okay, finally, we've got some Pachinko with a top slot as well. Ooh, here we go. Come on, my friend. Let's go. Oh, my back hurts, you know. Feel like old one. Okay, well, are you ready? Let's check the multipliers. Oh, started with a 7x. That's great start. Okay, 10, 15, 20, 40. Okay, the 100 axis and also updated the multiplier by the 3x here. Boom. And now up to 300x. Let's go upstairs. Okay, the spot is... Oh, actually, that's the best spot to start, you know. Right above the 300x, man. You can reach that. yes, it's on the way. Just land, not in the angle. Yep, a bit right. No.
This is the amount of money issued 525,581 euros.
Okay, 1,705 winners. Boulder, Kuhn, Sumaname, and Just a Guy, the top winners. Congratulations, everyone. Finally, we got something really good. Okay. That's good. Let's keep it up.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.